Hello, I'm Katie. The following little video is just a taster of one of the projects from my ebook, Beaded Boxes with a Flower Pot Theme. It'll just give you a sense of the teaching style you'll get, so I hope you enjoy it. In this little video, I want to just show you the technique I've used for making the leaves on the sunflower. So if I just take the lid off, you can have a slightly closer look at them. Believe it or not, this is basically even count peyote, but we've got a cunning little increase in there which just gives them the shaping. So let me show you how that works. Now you can position the leaves for your sunflower wherever you like on the stem. So I've got a little mock stem here, and I've just woven through to exit at a point where I think my first leaf would look nice. I'm going to start with a stitch in the ditch, so I'm picking up one bead, going through the next bead from the same row on the stem. In the next stitch I'm going to pick up two beads, go through the next bead on the stem, and in the final stitch again just one bead. Now here's where the even count peyote part comes in. If I turn it around, I'm just going to work back along the beads I've just added. So you've got even count turn around, picking up a bead, going through the last bead added, pick up a bead, we're going into the first bead in my pair, then I'm going to add two beads, so it's a pair that sits between the bottom pair, so that's taking me through the second bead in the pair, one more bead to add in this row, and once again if I turn it around, even count turn around, and we're working back along the row. So we've got single beads in the first few stitches. Notice how the number's increasing with each row. Once again we've got two beads, they're going to sit in between the pair from the previous row. Just take care that they don't twist as they go in, so here's something you need to watch. And we continue on to complete the row. So you can already begin to see we're starting to get some of the leaf shaping, and all you're doing is keep on working back and forth using the even count turnaround, back one way, along the other way, across the row. When you get to the final row you will add just a single bead instead of a pair, but the technique doesn't change. So it's quite a simple way of creating an attractively shaped leaf there. If you enjoyed that and would like to know more about the ebook, the details are all down below. Thanks for watching.